All right. Hello, ladies. I am so excited to finally be on the call with you. I am very happy to announce that you are part of my team. You ladies are the top 10 of the finalists, and that is very exciting. Congratulations. Now I just want to change it over and let you guys have the mic and kind of ask me any questions that you would like to know. Ask away.
What's the best advice you've been given in this industry?
I've had a lot of people tell me to just be patient and know that my time is coming. I'm 29 years old now. I started modeling at 13, and that I also have to put the work in. That is not going to be handed to me. Really try your hardest to take each moment in and embrace each person that you meet. Make sure that you're nice. I feel like if you just give that genuine, real, sweet energy to each person, they will definitely continue to want to work with you or with you later in the future, or you never know what door could open. So,
where was your best photo shoot?
You're getting me. One of my favorite places to travel to is Venice, and I had to do a job there, and that was insane. I was able to go there and experience it, and it's one of my favorite places now. So I would have to say my favorite shoot and job would have to be in Venice.
So what would you say is, for up-and-coming models in today's generation, the most important quality for a model to have in order to succeed, but also to kind of just stay true to yourself?
It's a big thing on having balance. I try to make sure that I see my family, or I talk to them a lot, or I FaceTime or call. I still till this day let my mom know every single thing that I'm doing work-wise. Keep the things that make you, and don't change that about yourself, and don't let the industry change you. Being open and sharing the things that you like to do is a really good quality. It's very hard for me to see my job as a job.
What would you have wanted to do if you weren't a model?
Now? Oh my gosh. Before, when I was younger and in school, I was trying to be a nurse, but I also hate blood. I wasn't really good with the whole taking blood or dealing with needles. But now that I've been in the industry and I've learned the industry, I would love to be more in production. I love the behind the scenes. Anything where I could honestly help back and give back in the industry. I just love being creative and love being hands-on. And I love being part of a group and being able to see a final product at the end.
What was your experience becoming a model?
I started very young. My mom is a makeup artist. It was because my mom knew a lady named Sheila Dixon, and she asked if I ever wanted to get into modeling. We did a meeting with her, did a mini photo shoot to see if I could potentially sign with an agency and work from there. I got signed right away. First job was a jean company, and I was so excited to be a part of this job. I was also so nervous. I was just like, this is crazy. This is what it's like to be on set. And then later graduating and getting into 17 magazine and Glamour magazine and stuff that my friends, when I would go to school, would then notice me in. Now it's something that was a hobby and fun and something I really loved turned into everyone finding out about it and thinking that I'm cooler because of it. Sometimes it made things difficult. Sometimes it was hard to find friends that you knew that were genuine, real friends. You find your real friends. You know when someone's being fake, trying to take from your energy, not a positive person in your life. I have 2 really good best friends that I've been best friends with since I was 12 years old. They support everything. They watch everything. They're there for me with everything. Friends and family, definitely keep them close. Don't feel like you have to be friends with certain people or do things a certain way to be elevated or in an area in the industry. It just takes a little more time for you. Don't do anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. You are always allowed to say no.
How do you feel when you're posing for a photo shoot?
I definitely always try to find a very happy place. Put on a playlist that makes you feel comfortable. Really just switch it up. And a lot of you are dancers. Use that as well. Give them variety. Find ways to express yourself. Allow them to see your beauty. It was amazing talking to you ladies. This is, again, a very amazing opportunity. Congratulations for getting this far. This is going to be a great experience. You're going to have a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to see what you guys put together.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, ladies.